A high-quality electric spray paint gun can transform your DIY projects, home renovations, or professional painting tasks by providing smooth, even coverage with less effort. Whether you're painting walls, furniture, fences, or automotive surfaces, these devices offer precision, speed, and efficiency compared to traditional brushes and rollers. The best models come with adjustable spray patterns, multiple nozzles, and powerful motors to handle different coatings, from thin stains to thick latex paints. In this guide, we explore the top 6 electric spray paint guns of 2025, highlighting their features, performance, and value to help you choose the perfect tool for your painting needs. Get ready for flawless finishes with ease. Number 1. Graco 26D283 Paint Sprayer Gun. The Graco 26D283 True Coat 360 Variable Speed Paint Sprayer is a versatile and efficient tool designed for both DIYers and professionals. With variable speed control, it allows for precise paint flow adjustments, ensuring smooth and even coverage on various surfaces. Its stainless steel piston pump provides high-pressure performance, allowing you to spray unthinned paint effortlessly. The Flex Liner bag system makes cleanup and color changes quick and hassle-free. Whether you're painting walls, furniture, cabinets, or outdoor surfaces, this sprayer offers consistent results with minimal overspray. Its compact, lightweight design ensures easy handling, making it a great choice for home improvement and renovation projects. Number 2. HomeRite C800766 Paint Sprayer Gun. The HomeRite C800766 C900076 Finish Max HVLP Paint Sprayer is an excellent electric spray gun designed for DIY enthusiasts and home improvement projects. Featuring a superior brass spray tip, it ensures smooth, consistent coverage with minimal overspray. The sprayer offers 3 adjustable spray patterns: horizontal, vertical, and circular, allowing flexibility for different surfaces and angles. Its high-volume, low-pressure HVLP technology delivers a fine, professional-quality finish, making it perfect for furniture, cabinets, fences, and home decor projects. The lightweight design and easy-to-use operation make painting tasks effortless, while its simple cleanup process adds to the convenience. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this versatile and reliable sprayer enhances any painting job. Number 3. Wagner 05-29011 Flexio Paint Sprayer Gun. The Wagner Spraytech 05-29011 Flexio 570 is a powerful handheld HVLP paint sprayer designed for both indoor and outdoor projects. It features iSpray nozzle technology, allowing it to spray most unthinned latex and other coatings with a smooth, even finish. The adjustable settings let users control airflow, paint flow, and spray width, making it versatile for walls, fences, furniture, and more. With X-Boost turbine power, it delivers faster coverage than traditional brushes and rollers while minimizing overspray. The lightweight, ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use. Whether tackling DIY home renovations or professional painting tasks, the Flexio 570 offers precision, efficiency, and a flawless finish every time. Number 4. Paint Sprayer 700-watt HVLP Spray Gun. The VF803 700-watt HVLP Paint Sprayer is a versatile and powerful spray gun designed for DIY and professional painting projects. With its high-powered 700-watt motor, it ensures smooth and even paint coverage on surfaces like furniture, cabinets, fences, walls, doors, and garden chairs. It comes with 4 interchangeable nozzles and 3 adjustable spray patterns: horizontal, vertical, circular, to meet different painting needs. The cleaning and blowing joints make maintenance easy, ensuring long-lasting performance. Its lightweight design and ergonomic grip provide comfortable handling, while the easy-to-clean components make post-painting cleanup hassle-free. Whether working on home improvements or outdoor projects, the VF803 offers precision, efficiency, and professional quality results. Number 5. Paint Sprayer 1000-watt Spray Paint Gun. The 1000-watt, high-power electric spray paint gun is a versatile and efficient tool designed for a wide range of painting projects. With its high-powered 1000-watt motor, it delivers smooth and even paint application, making it perfect for furniture, cabinets, fences, walls, doors, and garden chairs. The adjustable spray settings allow for precision control, offering different spray patterns to suit various surfaces. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, while the lightweight construction reduces hand fatigue. The easy-to-clean components make maintenance effortless, saving time after each use. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, this electric spray gun provides consistent, high-quality results with minimal effort. Number 6. Paint sprayer. 1,200 milliliter spray paint gun. The HVLP electric spray paint gun with a 1,200 milliliter container is a powerful and efficient tool for home interior and exterior painting projects. Designed for convenience and versatility, it comes with 4 interchangeable nozzles and 3 spray patterns to suit different surfaces like fences, cabinets, furniture, walls, and ceilings. The high-volume, low-pressure HVLP technology ensures even paint distribution, reducing overspray and waste. Its ergonomic design makes it easy to handle, while the quick disassembly feature allows for easy cleaning after use. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or need a reliable tool for professional painting jobs, this spray gun ensures smooth, flawless results with minimal effort and mess.